Hi, and welcome to the battery shop. This 2014 Volkswagen Beetle has its 12-volt battery conveniently located under the hood. But depending on how these vehicles are equipped, there may be some things you'll need to do during and after the battery replacement procedure. So before you begin, always check with the vehicle's manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to be sure that you have everything you need, you're familiar with the procedure, and you can safely and efficiently replace the battery in a vehicle like this. So let's get started. With gloves and safety glasses on, the first step is to fold back the top of the battery cover and secure it in the open position. Although not specified in the vehicle manufacturer's step-by-step replacement procedures, we are using a voltage supply from a battery charger in order to keep the computer's memories alive during the replacement procedure. Using a 10mm wrench, loosen the nut for the negative battery cable and remove it from the negative battery terminal. Then loosen the nut for the positive battery cable and remove it from the positive battery terminal. And if you're using a memory saver, be sure the positive battery cable doesn't touch any metal on the vehicle. Now we can remove the battery's jacket. The next step is to loosen the bolt for the battery hold-down bracket, and you'll need a 13mm wrench for that. And if you're using a memory saver, be sure your wrench does not contact the positive battery cable. And remove the battery hold-down clamp. Now we can remove the old battery from the vehicle and install the replacement battery. Next, reinstall the battery hold-down bracket. And tighten to 20 Newton meters. Now we can reinstall the battery's jacket. Next, reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. But don't pound these terminals on, as this can cause internal battery damage. And retighten the nut to 6 Newton meters. Now we can reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal and tighten the nut to 6 Newton meters. Now we can close the battery jacket cover. And if you've been using an external voltage supply, we could disconnect it at this time and reinstall the fuse box cover. Be sure to continue to follow the step-by-step instructions for the vehicle that you're working on, because some models will require you to turn the ignition switch on, then off, and then on again. Also, some vehicles will require you to put the windows up and down, all the way down, and all the way back up. And some vehicles will require you to drive in a straight line at about 9 to 12 miles per hour or so to reactivate the steering angle sensor.